When deciding between retreatment plus repairs and full structural replacement after significant post-construction termite damage, weigh short-term savings against long-term risk and lifespan. Start by getting detailed bids for both remediation plus retreatment and complete replacement so you can compare line item costs and timelines directly. When evaluating replacement, estimates include the cost of termite-resistant materials such as treated lumber, naturally resistant species, or non-wood structural elements, and estimate their expected service life compared with untreated repairs. Factor in required ongoing maintenance for each option, like periodic inspections, moisture control work, and sealing or reapplying preventative treatments, because those recurring costs change the long-term math. Ask each contractor to show warranty details and any transferability clauses, and convert warranty terms into an annualized cost so you can compare apples to apples. If repairs will leave complex junctions or cavities that are hard to inspect later, give stronger weight to replacement because hidden voids increase the probability of reinfestation and unplanned future expense. When possible, model at least 10 years of costs, including retreatment schedules, potential repair cycles, and the residual value impact on resale to see which option is financially and practically superior. Common mistakes are relying on a single quote, which can understate variability in scope or technique. Solution: collect at least 2 thorough bids for each option and compare scopes line by line. Another pitfall is ignoring the longevity benefits of termite-resistant materials, so you underprice replacement. Fix this by converting material and warranty advantages into years of expected service and annualized cost comparisons. Homeowners also often forget to include moisture control and landscaping changes that affect risk. Include an explicit list of required moisture mitigation actions and their costs before choosing retreatment only. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare realistic cost ranges for both remediation and full replacement, so we can make informed choices together. We also help contractors find qualified work and run a discussion community where homeowners and pros trade experience, and we encourage you to use those conversations to validate estimates and ask practical questions.